Hi there. I wanted to share how I've been using ChatGPT to do better with my titles and description for my YouTube videos. And of course, what everybody's trying to go for is getting optimal SEO. And SEO, in case you're wondering, is search engine optimization. So you want to as ChatGPT is saying, you want to optimize your content so it ranks higher in search results. Okay, it ranks higher. Hopefully people are going to be more likely to click on your video. As you can see, I have a new channel. Hardly anyone's watching. I'm hoping this is going to help. My channel is a smooth jazz channel. Okay, so let me go through one and you can see what I mean. So here's one that I did not use AI to name, and let's go through what I did with that. So I was just figuring out relaxing jazz music and coffee, enjoys jazz and coffee in Paris, smooth jazz in the background. Okay, so let's go to AI. I use ChatGPT. You can use Grok for this too. I find that ChatGPT gives you more options, but there's other AIs that can help you with this. So I can say, ask ChatGPT, what title should I use for SEO, for best SEO for my YouTube video of smooth jazz in Paris with the Eiffel Tower. Did I spell Eiffel? I don't think I spelled Eiffel right. Let's try that. Probably because I'm not capitalizing it. I want to say it's like that. Okay, there we go. With the Eiffel nearby and a cup of steaming coffee on a small table. Okay. And here it goes. Smooth jazz in Paris, Eiffel Tower view, and steaming coffee ambience. So I can go through and decide which one I like best. So I'm just going to use the first one here, and I like the little emojis there. And I found too, as you're doing this, you can always say, hey, can you redo number 3, except I want emojis in there or something like that. It'll work with that. So I go ahead and copy this. I'm going to rename this. There we go. All right. And you can see my description. Again, it's kind of sad. I'm just doing this out of my own head, trying to figure what can I write there. I'm new to this. I even got down here, like and subscribe, because right now I only have 5 subscribers, and that's just sad. Actually, I now have 6. Now, true, I'm related to most of them, but still, it's 6 subscribers. Okay, so let's go back and ask for a description. How about a subscription? Oops, description. I'm thinking subscribers. How about some subscribers, please? Please. Okay. Look how polite ChatGPT is. Absolutely. Okay. And you have to read through, because occasionally I'll see they'll put something in there. Like one time I had a little cozy fire in the video, and they're saying crackling fire ambience. And I'm like, there's no crackling fire going on. All right. Okay, then I love this. Okay, they're assuming I'm doing a short. I'm not doing a short. So let me copy this. Go. Okay. Oh. Okay, and again, love this vibe. I'm removing that because this is not a short. Okay. Yeah. And you might wonder where I got my video from. I got my video from the pixabay.com, and they give you some free videos. Here, I'll play it real quick. Where are I? Let me make this here. We'll play it. I'm going to try and play it. Okay, there we go. All right, let's play this. Okay, so you see. All right, so we have that. So let me take a quick look. Soft melodies, blah, blah, blah. Okay, looks good. All right, so now there's more. So the other thing I want to do is let me here and show more where I can put some tags in. All right. I want to make a little comment here. Altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? Okay, I'm assuming altered content. I always answer yes, because for one thing, of course, the little video, that is not an actual picture of Paris. I know. Surprise, that's not actually a picture of Paris. The other thing is, yes, I use AI smooth jazz music. And before you're too shocked, let me tell you, I would bet almost all the smooth jazz channels out there are using AI created smooth jazz. There's no way they're pumping out hours and hours every day. And have that kind of money you have to pay to be able to do that. But that's neither here nor there. I see a lot of them don't say that they have any AI involved, and I find that a lot of channels I look at, and they totally have AI music generated, in my opinion, allegedly. Okay, so let's go down to tags here. So let's remove these tags because I'm gonna, whoopsie, not so easy. I wonder if this will, yeah, there we go. So let's go back here. Let's ask for tags. Okay, oopsie, let me get here. Can I have SEO tags? Comma delimited. Okay, so let's just copy this. Let's take it over here, put this in here. Okay, there we go. I'm going to save. Now, probably, to be honest, this video is from May. I doubt this is going to do anything at this point. Let's go back to my content. Here's my latest video. I mean, the older they are, the less views you're going to get, so we'll see. Anyways, I wanted to share what's going on and how I'm using AI for this. Is kind of having your own PR team at your fingertips without having to pay the cost of how much it would cost to do that. Thanks for listening and watching. Thanks for watching and listening.